Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview large oval swimming pool with pump. Let's enjoy the water fun in this oval above-ground pool. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy inflatable swimming pool, so you can relax your splashing pool party in the backyard. Strong PVC rubber fabric and polyester fiber mesh material is better than traditional materials. A layer of mesh structure in the middle of the PVC on both sides provides structural integrity to your pool. Just select a level surface, inflate the top ring, fill the pool with water, and you'll be splashing around in no time. Get ready to have hot summer fun in minutes. Add a touch of color to your summer family gathering. Product benefits: easy to assemble, no tools. Inbuilt with a drain plug at the bottom of swimming pool, drain water within several minutes. Walls: the pool tear resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.